Good morning from Mae Ramat. Today we are entering the Omkoi district of Chiang Mai province. It will be at the end of the day for the start of the day. I'm taking this new road called 3054 that's been paved recently. I'm heading to Le Trough. This is a royal project there, but I want to take another road to go to a waterfall called Le Trough also. And after that, maybe going to see some temples and ending up in Mae Tun in Omkoi province. So guys, enjoy the ride. This is off to a great start. I already lost the GPS signal, so finding that waterfall might be difficult. So yeah, let's figure out something. Right, the views are so amazing. I stopped already twice to play with the drone. Seriously, it's really awesome. The weather is quite covered. Oh, I see a kind of opening there. But yeah, I should expect some rain later today. I don't have any more 4G signal, so it will be a bit tricky to reach that waterfall I talk about. But yeah, let's see. I guess we'll get signal at some point somewhere else. ทางนู้นมีน้ำตกใช่ไหมครับน้ำตกมีค่ะครับโอเค Let's go. And already a big water pond. I mean, no, it's not big. It's not big. The drone got in the tree very high. I'm gonna try to throw stuff at it. It's still working, it's still recording. I just passed the last 20 minutes downloading all the stuff from it, right? With the Wi-Fi. Yeah, wish me good luck. Got my two shoes. It's right over my head, kind of. I cannot see it anymore. Yeah, anyway. Fuck. No. Total failure. I cannot reach. It's too high, and I lost one shoe also. One shoe is stuck there. Right. Anyway, one drone and one shoe lost. Sucks. I'll get back on the road. There's a waterfall to visit. By น้ำตกตั้งไหนนะครับ Okay. Right, so the waterfall is at 1.2 kilometers, and in front of me there's all this shit. That's right. I got the CRF for that. will do better on the way back. So Google, I think, was just an approximation, right? And I mean, it was, and I was supposed to walk the rest, but by analyzing the map a little bit, I realized that, yeah, I had to go completely on the other side to reach that waterfall. I'm kind of doing that, but yeah, it's starting to rain now, and I'm changing my mind because the plan is to reach Mae in Omkoi, and the road to come here was a little bit muddy, not too long, not too much, but with the rain now, it will be more. So yeah, I think I will fail this also, fail this waterfall, which was just a side plan to the main plan to get to Mae, right? So let's do that. Oh. Hopefully it won't rain too much. Long story short, I changed my mind and the Namtok is in 2 kilometers now. Change of plans again. Right, yeah, this is going through some not serious off-road, but with the rain, yeah, this is getting serious. And I've been going up and down some very slippery, lot of clay. And now there's this one, very, very steep and long with a curve. And I mean, it's looking for trouble. I'm alone. I will regret it. You can judge me. Right. Okay. Glad I was not going too fast. Okay, I can continue. Okay, it looks bad, but it's not that mud. I mean, it's muddy, but it's not slippery as before. Yeah. Let's not talk too much. So I made it to Wat Kopado. This is far. This is right on the border of Tak province and Chiang Mai province, right in the middle of nowhere. But the road to get here was fine. It was paved. It was small, very thin, like one pickup truck wide, but that's fine. And yeah, we're up in the clouds now. This is beautiful, and yeah, good. And now I'm gonna try to head to Mae. Seems like it's gonna be dirt track to get there, and yeah, with what just happened before, I feel a bit less courageous, but yeah, let's give it a try. So yeah, I'm bailing out from this track and I see this guy coming. Hello. Yeah, it always happens like that. Yeah, let me show you how it looks. And you see like all these ruts and it's all wet inside. I mean, I wouldn't mind to come to do it alone with my friends. I mean, I wouldn't mind to do it with my friends, but now I'm alone. Yeah. Okay, let's just get back and figure out something for tomorrow, for tonight. Which rut? Left or right? Oh, there was a big rut there. Okay. Seriously, the views are awesome here. Right, so this is a super muddy spot. I did it the other way. I did it. Yeah. Let's try to go up now. Okay. Good that I bought these boots. They're getting dry after. When I came down this way, which was not the good idea. Hey guys, I owe you an update. So welcome to Omkoi. I ended up coming here because I stick to the plan last night. So I rode to Mae, which is another city 70 kilometers south of Omkoi. So I arrived there around 6:30. I went to a hotel. They said the rooms were not ready, or that was just a lie. Anyway, they told me, yeah, there's many other hotels. I mean, there were 2 more hotels. You can go have a look. I went there and they were full, so I'm like, okay, what I'm gonna do? So I'm like, okay, I feel for the challenge. Let's ride in the dark to Omkoi, 70 kilometers. And it started to rain. It was shit. And after that, now I kind of regret it because I mean, I kind of miss all the scenic road coming here. But still here, yeah, it's beautiful. The views are great. This is the temple, the main temple up in a hill in Omkoi town. Little update on the bike also. After I fell yesterday, finally the handlebar is a little bit bent, but it's okay, I can drive. But the only little concern is that the wheel also seems to be, I don't know if it's not aligned or if the wheel has bent or whatever, but I realized it just at the end of the day. I mean, last night when I was riding slowly, that I feel a little bit of vibration, but it's not nothing crazy. I mean, I can continue. I'm not stuck here. So that's it, guys. So today I'm gonna enjoy Omkoi, spending 2 nights here. Tonight the second one, right? And yeah, let's continue the trip. See you soon.